So my name is Ludovic, and I came to the touch of life because I was really struggling with my physical health. It came to a point that I was not even able to put my foot on the floor. So I think I was not intimidating about coming to physical therapy. That was actually, my first experience, but it was complicated for me for someone just to touch my foot, because I was really in pain. And I tried different places before these places. And clearly, I think the doctor really make me feel very comfortable. And also, you have a lot of privacy here because you have private room, you have one-on-one session, So that makes you also feel comfortable. I would like to say that something for me that is very important is I have a feeling that they really help you to be independent. They teach you some exercise, that you can do yourself at home. You can do when you're traveling, when you're in pain. And I think that's a very important aspect. It's not only you come here, we help you, but we help you to fix the problem yourself. And that's a very important aspect for me.